Ever worry about who can access your home when you're not there? Traditional keys can get lost, copied, or become a hassle when you're trying to get in quickly. That's where smart security can make everyday life easier. Forget searching for keys in your pocket, worrying about misplaced access, or dealing with inconvenient entry methods. A simple upgrade can give you more flexible control over your door. The RAYKUBE V1 adjustable TT lock brings multiple unlocking options into one smart cylinder lock. With Bluetooth connectivity, you can unlock your door using the app, while fingerprint access gives you a quick and convenient way to enter without carrying anything. You can also use a password, RFID card, mechanical key, or Bluetooth unlocking depending on what works best for your situation. Designed with biometric, key, and keypad functions, this lock offers different ways to manage access. The reversible handle direction helps with installation flexibility, and the polished finish with aluminium alloy material provides a clean, modern look. It is suitable for steel doors, wooden doors, brass doors, and stainless steel doors. Imagine coming home with your hands full and opening your door with just your fingerprint, or giving access to family members without needing extra keys. The RAYKUBE V1 also supports gateway connectivity for added smart home compatibility. If you're looking for a practical way to make your door access more convenient and flexible, check out the RAYKUBE V1. The product link is available in the description, so take a look and see if it's the right fit for your home.